National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Kaufman County in north-central Texas, northwestern Henderson County in central Texas, northeastern Ellis County in north-central Texas, until 3:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 2:49 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Red Oak, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, $half-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is possible. Locations impacted include Ellis, Red Oak, Ferris, Toole, Palmer, 7 Points, Camp, Grays Prairie, Cottonwood, Flag Lake, Cedar Creek Reservoir, Scurry, Bristol, Pecan Hill, Oak Grove, Rosser, Telosa, Rocket, Toledo, and Stubbs. This includes Interstate 45 between mile markers 254 and 266. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.